this video I will show you how you can create Google site for free without purchasing any domain and hosting. So for that, first of all, you have to click on new tab, then go to Google and search Google site. Press enter. Click on the first link here. It will redirect you to this site. This is sites.google.com and you can just directly go to there. Here you have got a multiple options, like you can create portfolio, help center, family update, event and projects. So you have already made template or you can make a custom one for yourself. So we will click make custom website, and for that you have to click on blank site. Okay, so this is the blank site and this is a site editor. You can just write the name of your website, Operatify, and now you have multiple option here to insert on this page, to add other pages and to change the themes. So first of all, select a theme for your website. Let's say I will choose this one, and you have multiple themes here. I will choose this diplomat. And now you can also change the font size, font style, and here you have a good theme, a color for your website. So I will choose blue. And now you have to add pages for your website. By default you can see here is a home page, and to create new page there's a plus sign here, click on it. So here give a name for a new page, like I give it a name videos. Click on done, and as you can see a new page videos has been created. And now we write here like about us, and as you can see another page is created. You can also create a contact us page. Now click on done. So you can also add sub pages, which will be a drop down menu here, like for videos. If I want to categorize some videos, I will click on add page. So here will write Google videos, which mean the videos in which I explain the Google services. And let's add another sub page, AI videos. So in this page I will show those videos which will be related to AI, or you can add as many pages as you want. And if you hover this, you can see you have a drop down here, which is actually the sub page of this page. Okay, so now go to insert, select the page first of all and then go to insert. So now we have to design the home page. So on this home page, first of all you need to write the title, like I will write here YouTube channel. Just make it a bit bigger. And now you have two options. Here you can upload the image for the background, or you can just select the previously uploaded photos. So let's it be here, and you can also change the theme from here and go back. So now we have to make the body of our home page, and now you can see we have a lot of sections type here. Let's say I choose this one. Here I can add multiple things like video or some file from drive, or I can choose image, calendar, maps, anything. So let's say I add here a YouTube video, this one, and insert here. So this video will be inserted. Here I have to give the heading, let's say subscribe, and here I have to write the paragraph for that detail, like and share. So you can also add a lot of other things. This is a collapse group, which means it will be able to collapse if a user click over here. And here is a table of content, and you can add the table here. You have also an image cursor in which you can add multiple images from a gallery, and it will be shown as an image slider. Now the button, if you add the button, you have to give the name of the button and the link where you want your user to redirect. Like I select this page, videos, and the name of the button go to videos and click insert. So if user click on this button go to videos, it will redirect user to video page. There are social links. If you add the social media links of your accounts, let's say Instagram and YouTube as well, you can add as many links as you want and then click on insert. So as you can see, this link has been inserted. You can change the size and the structure, like I say square shape, and then you can make it outline or solid, or you can give it a color, and lead copy. You have multiple options here. You can also add a YouTube video like this one, and it will be inserted. And other options like calendar, maps, document, or slide sheets, Google Forms, charts, you can import any of the thing on your website. And after making everything, you can just publish the website. So here you can see I want these social media links below this, so I just simply click here and drag it to the bottom. So as you can see, you can change the position of sections of your page, and after you are done you can just preview this. So this is the view of your website on PC, and if you want to see it on mobile phone, you can see this website is totally responsive. And after that you can go back and publish this website. So if you want to publish this, you can write, you have to first of all write the name of your website and then click on publish. So as you can see, it is being published, and now your website is live. So if you have to share this now, and this is the link of your website, just copy this and open this in a new tab. So as you can see, this is a website which can be accessed by anyone, and you do not have to purchase domain and hosting for this website, and this website is absolutely free. So if you are not happy with the URL of your website and want a custom URL, you need to watch my second video, which is how you can get free domain. And that's for the video. Make sure you subscribe and